President Emerson Mnangagwa's term ends in 2028, but his supporters are pushing for an extension beyond 2030. This move echoes the past, reminiscent of Robert Mugabe's reluctance to step down. Loyalists to Mnangagwa are reportedly planning to disrupt elections to secure his continued leadership. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is seen as a potential successor, but Mnangagwa's supporters are actively undermining his ambitions. The party's political commissar claims succession discussions are premature, yet factional struggles within ZANU-PF are becoming increasingly evident. As history threatens to repeat itself, Zimbabweans are left wondering, will Mnangagwa's power play plunge the nation into deeper political chaos? Stay tuned as we continue to follow this developing story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates on Zimbabwe's political news. Until next time, stay informed.